Tell me about pressure, baby. I'm thinking about maybe studying something else. It's wonderful, flawless, ooh, it makes me crazy. So tell me now, cause I studied all by yourself. Oh, whoa. So please, babe, make your knowledge become mine, oh mine. Mine, oh mine, oh whoa. I know that I don't know it, but I'll learn in time. Time, oh time. Pressure. P equals F over A. If it increases, F stays the same. You know that acts on any tool if you let it pressure you. If you let it pressure you. Pressure girl, pressure girl, pressure girl, it can change your life. It's not any object inside this room. There's anything, even in your dreams. Pressure affects it, oh yeah, it's true. Oh, whoa. So please, babe, make your knowledge become mine, oh mine. Mine, oh mine, oh whoa. I know that I don't know it, but I'll learn in time. Time, oh time. Pressure. P equals F over A. If A decreases, F stays the same. You know that it acts on any tool if you let it pressure you. If you let it pressure you. I study pressure. I study pressure. I study pressure. Yeah, I did. I study pressure. I study pressure. I study pressure. Yeah, I did pressure. P equals F over A. If A increases, F stays the same. You know that it acts on any tool if you let it pressure you. If you let it pressure you.
Pressure has always been a part of my life. When I was a young lad, I used to have nightmares, and it made me wet the bed. But just like in Ender's Game, the quote, the moment you understand your enemy, then you also love him. I started to obsess over pressure constantly. I couldn't stop yelling, "Pressure!" One of my favorite parts about this is Boyle's Law, which is P1 times V1 is equal to P2 times V2. Boyle's Law states that at a constant temperature, the product of an ideal gas, which is the pressure and volume, stay constant. Doesn't that just want to make you yell, "Pressure!"
Hi, I'm Waka Jaka Earth Hagenberger III, and I'm a classic example of a human. Pressure is the most amazing thing, and I see it everywhere I go. Like my mom always used to say, "Son, if you steal out of that cookie jar one more time, I'm gonna cut both your hands off." Also, she really liked pressure. Because my dad died in the war, and I had a severe lacking of hands, I could not write and therefore not go to school. Since my mom had to homeschool me, she dropped her scientist job. But there was one phrase that she could not stop repeating. It was, "Son, I swear if you touch that cookie jar one more time, I'll cut off your feet too." But also, she had another phrase. V1 over T1 equals V2 over T2. This, of course, is the ever so famous Charles' Law. Charles' Law states that for an ideal gas at a constant pressure, the volume is directly proportional to its temperature. And man, that just makes me hungry for some her cookies.
Hi, my name is Adon. and I'm a student at College of Pressure. The College of Pressure is one of the highest Ivy League colleges out there, and it was an honor for me to get accepted, but I had no idea what pressure even meant at the time. Luckily, I know after years of studying, and the definition is okay, let's just stop there. Stop.
Space, stop.
Anyway, my favorite law would have to be the avocados law. And it's V1 over N1 equals V2 over N2. And this law states that the volume occupied by an ideal gas has to be proportional to the to what's that? What's that?
It's to the number of moles present in.
What he said.
All right.
Man, aren't I smart?
You are treasure.